we waited for 4 hours. Now we need to put this popsicle inside a hot water for few seconds. Mama dipped this because it's very hot. Now Mama's doing it. You can see, guys. Showing you guys. Oh, this is how you made it. Oh, so this is my popsicle, guys. You like how I made it? Did I did a good job? Click the like button if I did a good job. This is my mango ice cream. Do you like it?
Ingredients
We need
mango because we don't have any other fruit. I have only banana, mango, and apple, but those are not good to mix with to make a rainbow popsicle. I will be needing we have this. We will use this one.
Yeah, you remember last time?
So we're gonna use this, and I have here two mango. It's a large one. And we need a sugar. And I have here a heavy cream. Actually, we don't actually need the sugar because the mango itself is very sweet, so it doesn't actually require sugar. But to give a nice soft texture for the popsicle, we require sugar. Because otherwise, if we don't put sugar, it will become crystallized. It's becoming like when we put in the freezer, it's becoming like ice, like crystallized. So we should put the sugar just a little bit, like maybe half tablespoon or what. Okay, now so let's get started. So first
we need to blend it from the mango because it's so big. We can even put it. Which one?
Wait, don't switch on yet. Don't switch it. No, you blend. You switch it. Yeah.
Now we need to put 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Tablespoon
of sugar. Now we need to put our cream with it. And then grind. Now we are done. Now we need to transfer to the bowl. Right here. Now guys, this is how it is. And then put your finger and then taste. It's yummy. Now guys, we need to transfer here. We have this lollipop thing. I don't know what it's called. And then now we need to put this into this transfer. Now we need to scoop it, guys, and then put it carefully in this. Now ask your grown-up for help.
Yeah, for me.
Okay guys, now we are done. Should be like this. Now we need to put this in like this. Easy to do it. But since you know how to do this, can just do it. I'm almost done. Need to cover it whole in. There. Now we are done. Now the important thing is put in the fridge. Now we need to put in the freezer and wait for 3 hours. Hello guys. This is how you make your popsicle, mango popsicle ice cream. It's simple and easy to make. And now when I put it in the fridge, it's ready. So only 1, 2 and 3 are finished. But the pink one needs time to dry because we maybe felt less of the top, I guess. Put this popsicle inside a hot water for few seconds. Mama dipped this because it's very hot. Now Mama's doing it. You can see, guys. So I'm showing you guys. Oh, this is how you made it. Oh, my popsicle, guys. You like how I made it? Did I did a good job? Click the like button if I did a good job. This is my mango ice cream. Do you like it? So this is the recipe I can show you for today. So see you in my next one. Bye. Please like and subscribe.